Hello everyone. Winter is going and summer is slowly entering our lives, right? So we can experience that heat. So, in order to escape the dehydration or escape the aerated drinks, let us prepare the simple strawberry juice at our home itself with simple ingredients. So, all we need is strawberries, of course. So, these are available in the markets today. Nowadays, you can get them for 70 rupees or 80 rupees. So, this one packet is for 70 or 80 rupees, and then you will get 15 to 16 strawberries with large, medium, and smaller size of strawberries. So all you need is, first you need to take these strawberries and then remove the top parts of the strawberry. Some say that these leaves are edible and also the top parts are flavorful. You can try it, but for juice, I don't think so. They are good consuming it with the juice because they don't blend well with that with the juice. So remove the top parts and also the leaves properly. Top parts in the sense I'm telling you, the white part on the top, whatever it is there, that white part you need to remove it. And then now, after removing all the strawberries, now place it into a bowl and then wash thoroughly and then chop it into 4 pieces. That's it. You don't need to chop it into fine pieces because you're going to blend it anyway. So just chop it into 4 pieces. That is enough. Now, after chopping it nicely, add it into a blender. You can eat this raw also, but if you find these strawberries are a little bit tangy, you can make it into a juice. In order to throw it or waste it away, you can prepare a juice from that. So now, after chopping all the strawberries, add it into a blender and add 2 cups of milk. Here I have added 2 cups of milk. If you want the strawberry juice to be thick red in color, don't add much milk, but if you want it to be a light pink in color, you can add milk. That depends on your taste. So here I have added 5 tablespoons of sugar and then blend it into fine frothy strawberry juice. So my strawberry juice is ready. You can refrigerate and serve it hot. Otherwise, you can add chilled milk while you blend it. So that's it. Simple strawberry juice is ready. So enjoy. Bye.